Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The current price of Bitcoin, BTC, to USDT is 70,485.04, an increase of 0.29% from yesterday's price of 70,284.19. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT is 3,614.35, an increase of minus 0.05% from yesterday's price of 3,616.02. The price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT is 583.4, an increase of minus 1.44% from yesterday's price of 591.9.
Latest news.
Munchables suffers attack, losing 17,400 ETH worth $62.5 million. Munchables, a project in the Blast ecosystem, has been attacked and lost 17,400 ETH, equivalent to approximately $62.5 million. The attacker's address is 0x61850F05501158A31518C D72287D09C5Munchables is tracking the movement and attempting to block transactions. Updates will be provided as soon as more information is available. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin responds to criticism of Farcaster. Farcaster, a web-free social media platform, experiences a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29. A web-free critic, Liren Shapira, recently wrote about Farcaster, a platform that superficially promotes blockchain technology but only uses it for username allocation. Shapira believes that Farcaster's technology is not blockchain-based and is an interesting experiment aimed at exploring the potential of adding more features to RSS. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin responded, stating that individual messages, or casts, are published on the Farcaster chain, making it possible to create an independent client and benefit from a state machine not controlled by a single organization. Shapira believes that Farcaster's information is stored in central nodes without using blockchain technology, similar to the back-end functionality of many RSS reader applications. Buterin commented that this is worth responding to and has asked the team to verify some information. He previously thought that requests would be stored in a large blockchain, like a simplified version of Filecoin, but in reality, they are stored in CRDTs, which aim to achieve eventual consistency on message sets but trust the timestamps provided by senders for better scalability. The only chain Farcaster uses is Ethereum, through Optimism. Ethereum's purpose is not just for usernames, but also stores registration information for accounts allowed to send messages stored by CRDT nodes. This is crucial for anti-spam, as everyone would use it to back up their encrypted hard drives, movies, etc. Putting the registry on the chain is the only way to ensure it is not controlled by a centralized entity and has resistance to Sybil attacks. Therefore, the registry plays a key role in meeting Farcaster's underlying network goals of being a robust, neutral tool without ongoing reliance on a single entity. Technically, this could also be achieved with proof of work, but it would be inefficient and, in practice, centralized entities have too many efficiency advantages in front of regular users on mobile phones and laptops. Munchables web-free gaming platform suffers security breach. Blast web-free gaming platform reports security breach, affecting X platform. Munchables web-free gaming platform based on Blast reports a security breach on March 27. Crypto detective Zach XBT discovered the address of the vulnerability exploiter, containing nearly 17,411 ETH, worth $62.5 million. Blast statement: we are tracking the movements and trying to block transactions. As soon as we have more information, we will update immediately. Hashdex Bitcoin Futures ETF renamed to Hashdex Bitcoin ETF. Hashdex Bitcoin ETF renamed and will hold physical Bitcoin to maximum extent. Tidal and Hashdex will act as issuers and digital asset advisors, with Tidal ETF Services LLC as manager. Hashdex will serve as the Bitcoin custodian. UniSat launches Android app, iOS version to follow. UniSat officially launched its Android application on March 27th at 4 p.m. Beijing time. This verbal press release has been prepared based on the information provided in the given report. It is important to verify the accuracy of the report before releasing any press statements. Bitdeer, reportedly in talks to raise $100 million for Bitcoin mining expansion. Bitdeer, a leading Bitcoin mining company, is in negotiations with private credit firms to raise $100 million in financing. The company, owned by Wu Jihan, is expected to use the funds to increase its Bitcoin mining capacity and expand its business operations. Negotiations are ongoing, and financing details may change. Stay tuned for updates. Apple to focus on artificial intelligence at 35th Worldwide Developers Conference. Apple to host 35th Worldwide Developers Conference online from June 10th to 14th. Apple, the world's leading technology company, is thrilled to announce that it will be hosting its 35th Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC, from June 10th to 14th. The conference will be held online, allowing developers and tech enthusiasts to attend the event from anywhere in the world. Insiders have indicated that the conference will focus primarily on artificial intelligence, with the company expected to unveil its long-awaited AI strategy during the event. However, Apple has not plans to launch its own generative AI chatbot. Instead, the company is in talks with potential partners such as Google and OpenAI to provide generative AI services. The WWDC will also feature a variety of other exciting events and sessions, including talks from industry experts and the company's latest product launches. The event will be a great opportunity for developers and tech enthusiasts to learn about the latest trends and technologies in the world of computing. To learn more about the WWDC and how to register, please visit the official Apple WWDC website. We look forward to seeing you there. Ethereum, F, surpasses 3,600 USDT with a 0.3% 0.30 decrease in 24 hours. Ethereum crosses 3,600 USDT benchmark with 0.3% 0.30 decrease in 24 hours. On March 26, 2024, 22:56 p.m. UTC. According to Binance market data, Bitcoin Spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29th. BNB surpasses 580 USDT with a 1.46% 0.40 decrease in 24 hours. Binance Coin, BNB, has broken the 580 USDT benchmark, with a 1.46% 0.40 decrease in 24 hours. On March 26, 2024, 22:55 p.m. UTC. Bitcoin, BTC, surpasses 70,000 USDT with a 0.53% 0.53 decrease in 24 hours. Bitcoin crosses 70,000 USDT benchmark on March 26, 2024, with 0.53% decrease in 24 hours. According to Binance market data, Bitcoin has increased by 1.25% in the last 24 hours. SEC seeks $1.9 billion judgment against Ripple Labs. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has filed its proposed final judgment in its case against Ripple Labs, seeking a $1.9 billion judgment. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Chief Legal Officer Stuart Alderete announced the news on X Monday, stating that the company will file its response next month. The SEC has been engaged in a multi-year legal battle with Ripple, alleging that the company knowingly violated securities laws. Last summer, Judge Analyst Torres ruled that the institutional sales of Ripple's XRP token could be categorized as unregistered securities transactions, but she also found that the programmatic sales did not qualify. If the judge grants the SEC's motion, Ripple would be required to pay the $1.9 billion within 30 days of the judgment. Additionally, the company would be permanently restrained from conducting unregistered offerings of institutional sales. Optimism to reserve $3.3 billion in tokens for blockchain ecosystem contributors. Ethereum Layer 2 scaling network Optimism has announced a $3.3 billion reserve to reward projects and individuals for their contributions to the blockchain ecosystem. The network will distribute a portion of the 850 million OP tokens in 4 rounds starting from May and continuing until the end of 2024. The first round of RPGF will be launched, and the community will vote on which projects will receive the tokens based on their value. The final round will end in mid-November. Galaxy Digital's growth driven by improved crypto market conditions, says Stifel Analyst. Galaxy Digital, a leading digital asset financial services firm, experienced significant sequential growth across its 3 operating units as anticipation of the approval of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, LED to improved crypto market conditions. Analyst Bill Papanastasiou of Stifel Canada reported that the strong performance has continued into the current quarter, with spot prices, volumes, and volatility remaining elevated in Q1 24. Stifel has a buy rating on the Toronto-listed company, with a $20 Canadian price target. The report suggests that Galaxy Digital should be a core holding for equity investors seeking exposure to the broad digital asset ecosystem, given its attractive asymmetric return profile across diverse revenue-producing operating segments and longer-term outsized growth potential through its infrastructure solutions arm. Galaxy is expected to perform strongly for the full year 2024, given improved crypto market sentiment following the Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) approval of spot Bitcoin, ETFs, and other tailwinds. The company reported a net income of $296 million for 2023, following a year-earlier $1 billion loss.
Thank you for watching today.
Wishing you all a wealthy and abundant cryptocurrency portfolio. May your investments grow and thrive, and may you always have access to the funds you need to make your dreams a reality. Cheers to success and continued financial freedom. #cryptocurrency #success